Welcome to Zack's pronunciation. Let's pronounce the word Amen or Amen. 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 Amen is common in religious context and Amen is common in certain traditions. Amen or Amen is a word used mainly at the end of prayers in Judaism, Christianity and Islam in similar form. It expresses agreement, truth or affirmation. It means so be it, or it is true, or I agree, or let it be so. Amen or Amen. In Islam, there is a similar word used after prayers. It's a similar concept. In Islam, the word used is Ameen. Ameen. The pronunciation in Islam is Ameen. Ameen. So this word is pronounced Amen or Amen. 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 Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation and check out other videos in the pronunciation playlist.